Now, our motto determine Y parameter. Y parameter means admittance parameter. Okay, this circuit is very complicated, so we have used interconnection method. I have already discussed what is the interconnection method. 5 types. First one series, second one series parallel, and third one series parallel, and fourth one parallel series, and last one cascade interconnection method. Okay, suppose that this is network NA and this is network NB. Okay, with the help of interconnection method we can solve it. How can? First of all, recheck which type of interconnection. 5 type of interconnection. I don't know which one is series and which port is series and which one is series parallel, or both are series, both are parallel, or one thing series and one thing is parallel, or one thing is parallel and one thing is series. So first of all, simplify this circuit. Okay, if this circuit make like this here and make here, and this circuit finally like this one. Now second one, if here make and this one corresponding to here. It is clear that after making this circuit corresponding to, if this one is a V1, then same voltage here V1 means V of A1. Clear? Okay, now this one positive connected here and negative connected here, so this corresponding to voltage V1 also, and that is V1B here. Okay, and now here if you make the circuit like this one, voltage corresponding to V2A and voltage corresponding to V2B, and that is V2, that is V2, that is V2. So clear, this one is parallel and this one is also parallel because both voltage are same. That's why port 1, you can say that port 1 is parallel. Okay, port 1 in parallel. And what about port 2? V2 this equal to this voltage plus this voltage. So port 2 is series, in series, in parallel, means parallel series combination, that is parallel series interconnection. Okay, parallel series interconnection. Okay, parallel series interconnection means our motto determine G, that is GA plus GB. Okay, so determine G parameter corresponding to this circuit, and after that GB determine corresponding to this parameter, and adding both, and we got like this one. After G parameter we convert this one corresponding to Y parameter. Very simple. So most of sometime question asking this complicated circuit are which type of interconnection, that is parallel series interconnection. Clear? So first answer is clear, that is parallel series interconnection. How can solve? I know that I have already discussed in previous lecture. If parallel series interconnection, then combination of G this will equal to GA plus GB. How can determine GA and GB? Okay, so one by one. I know that I1 this will equal to G11 into V1 plus G12 into I2. Clear? And V2 is written as G21 into V1 plus G22 into I2. So first of all, corresponding to NA circuit, this one is make like 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 1 ohm. here V1, here V2, here I1, here I2, here I1 plus I2. Clear? So V1 is written as 2 plus 1, that is 3I1 plus I2. Second one, what about V2? V2, if apply KVL in this loop, then we got V2 this equal to 1 I1 plus 2 I2. Okay, first I1 in the terms of V1 and I2. I1 in the terms of V1 and I2, it is written as I1 is written as 1 by 3 V1 minus I2 by 3. Clear? Now another way, our next target, V2 in the terms of V1 and I2. V2 in the terms of V1 and I2. I2 means I1 put here, and we got I1 is, if put here, V1 minus I2 by 3 plus 2 I2. Okay, that is 1 by 3 V1 plus 5 by 3 I2. Okay, so V2 is written as 1 by 3 V1 plus 5 by 3 I2. Okay, 1 by 3 V1. So what about 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 5 by 3? Clear? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 by 3. Clear? Corresponding to NA network. Now second circuit, NB, like this one, that is 2 ohm, that is 1 ohm, and that is 2 ohm. Here V1, here V2, I1 current, here I2 current. If this one is connected to ground, that is 0 voltage. I3, I4, I5. I1 is written as simply I3 plus I5. I3 is, that is V1 voltage, and that is V2 voltage, and if this one is a V0 voltage, take reference, apply nodal analysis. V1 minus 0 divided by 1, so V1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 divided by 2, and that is 3V1 divided by 2 minus V2 by 2, that is I1. That is I1. Clear? Now another way, incoming current I2 this will equal to I4 minus I5. Okay, both are incoming current, I5 plus I2 this will equal to I4, so I2 this will equal to I4 minus I5. I4, what about I4? I4 is written as V2 by 2, V2 by 2 minus I5, V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 divided by 2. Okay, and this one is written as first I2, we got I2 in the terms of V1 V2. I2 in the terms of V1 V2, we got minus V1 by 2 plus V2. Very simple, that is I2. I2 this is equal to like this one. That is equation number whatever, equation number 2, 3, 4, जो भी. Okay, that is I2 is written as minus V1 by 2 plus V2, that is whatever be the equation. Now next target is, our next target, V2, our motto in the terms of V2, this is equal to V1 and I2. So V2 this equal to in the terms of V2 this equal to V1 by 2 plus I2, that is equation number 2, whatever. Okay, V2 this equal to V1 by 2 plus I2. Now next target is, our next target I1, V1 and I2. How can achieve? I1, I know that I1 is equal to 3 by 2 into V1 minus, what about V2? Put here V1 by 2 plus I2. It is written as 4, 12, that is 6 minus, that is 5 by 4 V1 minus 1 by 2 into I2, that is I1. Equation number 4, that is equation number 4. I1 is equal to like this one. Now our next target, ZB is written as 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1. Okay, clear or not? I1 this equal to, now so finally G is written as GA plus GB. Why GA plus GB? Because of port 1 is parallel and port 2 is series. That's why this combination we got answer corresponding to this one. I have already proved in previous lecture. So 1 by 3 plus 5 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 3. So we got 4 plus 15, that is 19 by 12 and minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 6, that is 5 by 6 and 8 by 3, 8 by 3, that is G. G this equal to like this one. Okay, this is the G parameter. Now our motto, determine Y parameter. So how can determine Y parameter? First of all, this circle is removed. If this circuit is converted into, again I1 this equal to 19 by 12 into V1 minus 5 by 6 into I2, and V2 is written as 5 by 6 into V1 plus 8 by 3 into I2. Okay, I know that Y parameter, I1 is written as Y11 into V1 plus Y12 into V2, and I2 is written as Y21 into V1 plus Y22 into V2. So first of all, this whole circuit converted like this one. Okay, this is the Y parameter. So V1, V2 and I2. I2 is written corresponding to here. I2 is written as minus 5 by 6 into 3 by 8 into V1 plus 3 by 8 into V2. It is written as minus 5 by 16 into V1 plus 3 by 8 into V2, that is I2. Equation number whatever, 5, 6, 7, whatever, that is 7. Suppose that is 7, equation number 7. Now next target is I1 in the terms of V1, V2. I1 19 by 12 into V1 minus 5 by 6 into I2. I2 if you put here, that is minus 5 by 16 into V1 plus 3 by 8 into V2. We got 19 by 12 into V1 plus 25 by 96, that is 96 into V1 plus 5 into 3, 15, and that is V2. We got 96 V25 plus 96, and this one is 96 19 into 8, 172 plus 25, 152 plus 25, that is 177. 177 into V1 minus that is V2, and so I1 this equal to like this one. Okay, so I1 is written 177 by 96 into V1 plus 5 by 16 into V2. Okay, so what about finally, what about Y parameter? So Y parameter is Y11 is 177 by 96, and Y12, that is 5 by 16, and Y21. What about Y21? Y21 this equal to minus this one, and Y22, that is 3 by 8. Okay, this is the final answer. Make it. Okay, very simple. First of all, make it, that is 170 I1 is corresponding to V1 V2 177 by 96, and I1 clear minus sorry, here minus and here minus, so here minus. So finally answer is correct. Make it. Our motto, determine Y parameter. The Y parameter is like this one. Finally make it.